Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about a platform called Scout. Welcome my new subscribers, welcome my old subscribers. My name is Real Coach Bliss, and all we do on this platform is talk about business tips and money making updates. So, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to click on the subscription button, subscribe, then turn on your notification button so that when I drop beautiful updates like this, you're absolutely gonna be the first to be notified. Okay. All right. I usually tell my subscribers that before they go over to any project I drop here, they should make sure they go ahead and make their research properly before they put in their time and their money. This is obviously the most important thing. Before you put in your time or your money, make sure you make your research so well, okay? Because the result I'm going to be getting is absolutely not the result you will get. So when you make your research properly, you come out with a nice result. Yeah. So in today's video, let's proceed on today's video right away. And today's video, we're going to be talking about a platform called Scout. Now you will be wondering what Scout is all about. Now before we proceed, I'm going to be telling you what Scout is all about. Scout is an app that rewards you for your movement, whether you work, you drive, or you ride. Okay, that is your daily traveling activities starts earlier for you. All right. Now, once you're traveling or when you're walking or while you're on a bike or while you're driving bicycle, please, this is a platform that you're going to be owning on your phone, then calculate recording your distance, then it's turning out to be money for you. All right. Okay. Now, right now I'm going to be putting you through on how to register on this platform. And first, remember I had told you that it's an app that rewards you for your movement, whether you're walking, driving, or riding bicycles, bikes, or vehicles. Now, it's not necessarily you would have vehicles. Someone was asking me the other day, Coach, do I need to buy a vehicle because before I venture on this platform? No, no, no. In as much as you are in any vehicle, it could be a public vehicle. Go ahead and on it on your phone. It calculates, records your distance, then pay you. Take note, it doesn't take your data, it doesn't take your personal data, okay? It only records the distance, then pay you in bits. Okay, now let's quickly go ahead. I'm going to be showing you on how to register on this platform. Then I'm going to be dropping a link on the description of this video. Now before I forget, we run a WhatsApp group and a Telegram group. If you've not joined any of the WhatsApp group, please do well to click on the link I'm going to be dropping on the description of this video and join, because there are people who really are doing marvelously well. You could just hook up with them, then do a perfect project with them excellently. And of course, you'll be seeing withdrawal screenshots of different updates we do here. Then you can still meet me personally and ask me your questions. All right. Um, like I said, the link on this platform is right on the comment section of this video. You can go ahead and click then register. But if you don't want to do that, you can quickly just click on the link of or the group link, then join the group. Then you can ask me your questions if you find anything very difficult. Okay, I will be right here to help you out. Now you click on the link, go ahead and register. You will download it first, then register with your WhatsApp number. Please do not forget, because they are going to be sending you an OTP to your WhatsApp number. Then you insert the OTP, then accept their terms and conditions, then go ahead and open the app. Then the app is open, right? Then the next thing you're going to be we are going to be talking about right now is how this platform works, how to earn on this platform. Okay, now you have two ways to earn on this platform. You earn by referring and you earn by bits. Now at first I'm just going to be showing I'm just going to be telling you how they works. Now another thing I want to tell you how this platform works. This platform works on leaderboards. It's not your random platform where you get paid immediately and you withdraw your money. This is how it works. Once every Friday, that's every 5 days, that's when they pay you. That's every Friday you are allowed to check your name on the leaderboard. If it falls out to the 50 people that are going to be paying every Friday, then they will pay you straight to your wallet. Okay. Now, that is to say, they only pay 50 people every Friday, and they share $500 to 500 to $650 to the 50 people. 50 people leaderboard, 50 people referrer. Referrer board owns $500 share, then $650 share to the beats and section. Yeah. So it's either you refer your family and friends on this platform, or you are basically just getting earnings from the bits. That's the distance that's been calculated from you. Okay. Now the leaderboards. Now I'm going to be starting how this platform works from the referral section. Okay. The referral section is just you talking to your family and friends, giving them the link to register, and once the registers, the platform is going to give you a 10 pause, a 10 pause for you for every referral you refer on this platform. Now, like I said, you go ahead and tell your referrals that their payments are being given to them every 5 days in a week, right? That's from Monday to Sunday. It's going to calculate, the platform is going to calculate your distance from Monday to Fridays, 5 days. Okay, then go straight to the leaderboard. This is the leaderboard. The leaderboard is cleared for the week as of when I am doing this video. Like, another leaderboard section is starting up on the 16th of November. Okay, that's tomorrow. That's when another leaderboard is kicking off. So you're coming over to the leaderboard section. Check your name every Friday. There's going to be a lot of names here. Then remember, I said 50 people only for the 5 days. They are sharing the money to 50 people, all right, every 5 days. So you really seriously need to work hard so that you'll be amongst the 50 people that the money will be shared. Now, on the referral section of the leaderboard, they're going to be sharing $500 for the 50 people whom have referred people to the platform. Now, according to the referral rate, the money is going to be shared according to the referral rate. Then another section of earning on this platform is by bits. Um this only calculates your distance. Okay, it takes your distance, calculates your distance, and pays you in bits, like the one we're seeing here, in bits. Okay, like yesterday, that was when I just got my payment for my referral, just a referral. So in my next video, by next week Friday, I'm going to do a live withdrawal on this platform. Okay, now let me proceed. The bit payment, this is what you're going to be doing to earn from the bit section of this platform. Make sure you are keeping this platform on your screen while you enter a box. It could be a public transport, it could be yourself driving in a car, or driving on a bike, driving a bicycle. Now, the bit, what is the bit? The calculation of that speed, that distance you're going in those transportation means. Okay, the distance, that's what it's calculating, and that's what it's paying you for. And somebody could say, must I have a car before I do all this update? You must not have a car. All right, once you enter a public transport on the platform, it only tracks the distance. Remember, it doesn't track your personal information, it only tracks the distance, then pays you in bits. On a bike, it only tracks the distance and pays you. Then another thing, it also calculates the potholes while you are calculating your distance. It also captures the potholes if there is any around you. Then once you capture this, it's still going to be showing you on the screen, right? Then once you come down here where you see upload detection, you upload it. But it's not must, it must capture. so that you don't say coach. You said it's not must, it must capture. All right. In case it did not capture, no problem. All right. It only calculates your distance. Now, this platform is working in hand with map. Okay. The distance records you're calculating is being used for map creations. Right? So that's the data you're getting from the distance. They are going to be paying you in bits, and it's going to be using for map development. That's what it is used for. So go ahead and put it on, put the tracking. This is where you're going to start it, where you see start tracking. Once you enter any vehicle, either yourself, you're riding the car, you're riding a bicycle, you're riding a bike, just make sure you're putting it on, then it's tracking your distance and calculating it. Now, I could not just say while you're walking, because there is definitely no how you could walk a long distance that will give you money on this platform. Now, the platform only deals on the heat. What do I mean by the heat? The sound of the distance. It deals with very long distance, very far place. As long as you're going to a very far place, it's calculating the kilometer and paying you. So I would not just say you should calculate your step. Fine. While you're walking, go ahead and put it on, but it gives you an explicit result while you are on a moving vehicle, a moving bike, and a moving bicycle. Okay, it gives you an accurate result. Then that is all about this platform. Like I said, do not forget you are getting paid on a leaderboard. You don't randomly get paid. That's every Friday you're expecting your money at the leaderboard. So always go to the leaderboard to check if you did absolutely well. If you falls under the number 1 to 50, that the money will be shared according to the numbers of how well you did on the platform from number 1 to number 50. Now, the money the number 1 is going to be getting, as of yesterday, number 1 got $70. Okay, so the money number 1 is going to be getting is absolutely not the same with number 2 as well as number 50. So this is the reason you just have to get to work so hard on this platform. Make sure you're putting this on your screen while you're going to work, while you're going to work on a transit, on a bike, riding a bicycle, so that the distance will be accurately calculated. Okay, it really needs a distance. You know what I mean by distance? It doesn't just you walking with your foot without any transit, without entering any transit, might not give you the result you will need. It really needs you the speed of the vehicle or the bike or the bicycle. That's the speed. It deals with the speed, the kilometer, right? So that's why you need to calculate it. So that's why the calculation needs to be coming from the vehicle you entered, the bike and the bicycle. So keep note of what I just mentioned now. So this is how this platform works. Always check on your leaderboard. Give your friends and family your referral link if you don't want to just be doing the bits section, right? You can focus on the referral section and get paid every leaderboard payment. That's every Friday. That's when the payment comes. And do not forget, they only pay 50 people every Friday. Okay. All right, this is the end of the tutorial today, and this tutorial is just basically on educational purpose. It's nothing more. It is not a financial advice. All you need to do is go ahead and make sure you make your research properly, like I said, before you give any time or money for any update. I'm putting down here. Okay. All right, do not forget to click on the subscription button, subscribe, then turn on your notification bell, because I'm gonna be showing you on how to withdraw from this platform by next week Friday. That's another leaderboard payment. Okay, I love you so much, and click on the link to join my group. That's where I'm gonna be giving you enough time. Okay, drop your question on the comment section. I'll be right here to answer you, and all you need to know on this platform. If anywhere you're confused at all, drop the question on the comment section. I will answer you properly. I love you so much, and God bless you. Bye.